Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you what Instagram is, so let's get straight into it. What is this trendy app called Instagram, which all the kids seem to be into these days? It's been around for years, quietly picking up traction, mostly thanks to everyone's obsession with photos and social media platforms which are new, stylish and sleek. So don't feel embarrassed to ask if you have absolutely no clue what it's all about. An intro to Instagram. Instagram is a social networking app made for sharing photos and videos from your smartphone. Similar to Facebook or Twitter, everyone who creates an Instagram account has a profile and a newsfeed. When you post a photo or video on Instagram, it will be displayed on your profile. Other users who follow you will also see this in their own feed. Likewise, you'll see posts from other users who you have already followed. Pretty straightforward, right? It's just a simplified version of Facebook. But the key focus is mobile use and visual sharing. Just like the other social networks, you can interact with other users on Instagram by following them, being followed by them, commenting, liking, tagging and private messaging. So yeah, that's the basics. Devices that work with Instagram. Instagram is available for free on iOS or iPhone and Android devices. It can also be accessed via the web from a computer, but mainly people stick to using it on their smartphones. Instagram stands out from other social networks because they focus on images and videos, and on those images and videos you can apply fun filters and edit your posts as well. So yeah, that's all you need to learn about the app right now. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you are looking forward to the rest of this course. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.